I guess I'm done with my attempt on these two funded accounts. I was able to bring both of these accounts to 53,000, which is the profit target. As you can see right here, I filled this bar. I got an 83 win percentage. It's kind of surreal. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I know this only the first part, but like, it's like, dang, like I'm one of them, the ones that actually passed the challenge. I'm one of the ones that actually passed the challenge because a lot of people don't pass these challenges because it's like it's a mental thing for real. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into what I saw today. Um, really wasn't nothing crazy. For the most part, we can get a lot of this off the screen. Actually, I'm gonna take this off the screen. I'm gonna take this off the screen. We can take all this off. Tell y'all what I saw. So coming into the market earlier this morning, I had seen that last night when Asia session started, we were in this area. This was Asia session, and then this was Asia session low. During London session, which started right here, during London session, from here to here, we didn't take out Asia sessions low, and we didn't take out Asia sessions high. Right? Cool. So I was like, okay, cool. Basically, what I already know New York gonna do is gonna try to sweep both sides. It's gonna try to get Asian high or low, and it's gonna reverse. So from that point, I was like, okay, cool. Since we are in a downtrend, and the reason why I said we was in a downtrend, though we did come up, we made higher highs and higher lows. Was the reason why I said we was in a downtrend is because we were tapping into, it's still too many gaps. It's like at any of these gaps, at any point the market could deny and go in the opposite direction because it was starting to uptrend. It was starting a slight uptrend. So I'm like, okay, cool. Basically, what I would need is a closure below a low because I'm like, we in this uptrend a little bit. I'm like, the only thing I would need is the closure below any of these lows on the 5-minute for me to be then switch my bias to bearish, which we did get. Market open, we came down and we closed below this 15-minute low. So I was like, okay, cool. I'm looking for sales because, like I said, the market hadn't took out Asia session high, nor has it taken out the low. So I'm like, it got to go somewhere. Whatever trend it's in, if it's going in a downtrend or uptrend, I'm following the trend to a low, right? So boom, we can take this off. And we can take this off. Actually, I don't need that. So boom. My target was this low here. This was London session low. I targeted London session low because I wasn't so sure if it would if we would hit Asian session low. I low-key do think that it's gonna go to Asian session low, but I went ahead and targeted the low-hanging fruit. So cool. So coming into market open, that's what we got. We got this here. I'm gonna take it back real quick. So this is what I'm seeing, right? All right, I see we come down. We close below that 15-minute low, right? We do that. So then I'm like, okay, cool. Now I'm just looking for my entry because we broke structure as well. So now I'm just looking for my entry at this point. So I'm looking, I'm waiting. What I see is on the 3-minute, as we was making this low here on the 5-minute, as we was making this low here on the 3-minute, we had a fair value gap. What do? We come in and we tap this fair value gap, which is right here. We tap this fair value gap on the 3-minute. I go down to my 1-minute. I'm looking for a break of structure or a inverse fair value gap. There's no inverse fair value gap. There's no fair value gap for me to inverse. You know what I'm saying? So at this point, I'm just waiting for a break of structure. So for me to have a break of structure, I need a candle to close below this low because we got a down and an up candle. So that means that the lowest of those two candles is the low. Boom, is this candle here. I'm waiting. Boom, we get it right here. This is where we get it. So I go ahead and I had took my entry off this candle, I think. This candle, the one I took my entry off of. And that's because we had the low. I just wanted a push up a little bit, but I didn't exactly get that. I should have waited until it came up here so I can get a better entry. But it was cool. I trusted my strategy. At first, I did have my stop loss at the top of this fair value gap, but once we start breaking below, I moved my stop loss down. I held my entry, and the rest is history. And yeah, now I'm doing my challenge, and I'm also doing. I didn't even tell y'all this, but I'm also doing two accounts with Alpha Futures, and the reason why these two are different prices is because I thought that, so I connected my TraderVate to TradingView, and I thought that it would, since I had these two in a group, that it would automatically trade for both accounts. It didn't. It only picked one. It picked this one right here. So yeah. So that's why those two are different. But I only traded on here. This will be day two for this one, and then the other account, this one right here, this one right here. It's only day one, so I made $900 today on this account. And yeah, that's about it. That's it for today. Hopefully they throw me into the the express funded, give me that opportunity, and then I'm gonna take advantage. And I'm not gonna start trading until Monday. If they do, go ahead and email me or let me know what's going on. I'm not gonna start trading till Monday. You know what I'm saying? Get my mind right. Do a couple prayers, and yeah, I'm gonna get just ready for the week. Start Monday. So see y'all in the next one.